Morning guys, welcome back to another day on the Lambretta trailer. If you've not seen the previous videos, I'll just give you a little update. It's basically a custom Lambretta trailer that's come in, and the customer wanted some artwork on it. It was the Knights Templar theme. So we've done the Knights Templar, airbrushed both sides. So yeah, check out the other videos guys. They're worth a watch. There's tips and tricks in it. If you're into airbrushing, you'll get a lot out of them. So we're now into part 5, and I was going to be doing the clear coat in the end of part 4. When I demasked it, the person who painted this didn't key the silver up, as you'll see in a minute, on the trailer. So the masking tape pulled the paint. As you can see on the floor, this is what I'm doing today. So you can see on here, this paint is just peeling off because this hasn't been keyed correctly. The only bonus, fingers crossed if this works, where it had been, this has got silver, you've got a pin line, then you've got silver, then you've got my artwork. This silver is peeling to that clear coat line. It's the clear coat's bonded, and that silver's lifting to that clear coat edge. So I'm going to take all this silver off, all the way around. Then I'm going to very lightly feather out that little bit of clear coat there. Key this up correctly. Feather in all this edge where this has been lined between the two colours. So lift all this off, feather that in. So that's today's mission guys, this is part 5. I hope you stay tuned till the end. I'll do some time lapses, drop a bit of music on for you. I've got the paint. Customer when he came straight out yesterday, he dropped the paint off. So we've got, I think it's a Max Mare base coat, that one. That's the silver. And that's the grey colour if I needed that. So yeah, I will chuck you on a time lapse and we'll get cracking on this. I'll see you in a bit guys. Go guys, that's all papered up as you can see in that time lapse that we just had. So I've wet sanded the centrepiece 1000 grit. We've pulled all the bad paint off by hand and with a scalpel, so that's took some time. Then I went in with 1000 and wet sanded all this, well, sanded this down dry with 1000 grit, all this bit that was badly keyed before. Then I've gone in, folded the 1000 disc up and gone round and just nibbed that edge where that clear coat finishes. Round there, soften that out. Same with this edge on here that was there to the fine line. Soften and smooth that edge out, same on that side. So yeah, we're going to give this a clean down, bit of wax and grease remover just on them bits that need spraying. We'll blow it down and we'll get this silver on, and like I say, nice light dust coats on this. I'm just going to build the layers up nice and slowly. I'm not going to do wet coats because you've got thinners in base coat, and thinners, if you put too much down wet, it can just start to liven up the other paint because it wants to eat into it. So nice dust coats, take the time, and fingers crossed this should go down okay, and then we're ready for clear coat. So I'll see you in the next time lapse guys. I've just done the clear coat stage on the trailer guys, so this is all finished now. I didn't put it through the time lapse on that. I've used the Iwata W400. It's a 1.3 setup, so that's the gun that we use for the clear. The clear that I used for this was the multi-mix clear coat. It's a 2-to-1 mix. I put 0 thinners in this and just gave it 2 heavy wet coats. I'll pan round now and I'll give you a little talk and a little show you of the actual finished trailer now it's complete. There's the finished trailer. That's a real nice deep gloss on that. So we put the silver back in, we pin line that off, we put artwork to this side. That's the finish on that, and we re-pin line this in. Put that silver line back in there, and there's your other side with the artwork on. So yeah, we've got a nib, one there, there's a bit there I think I can see, but other than that, that's come out okay. So a few nibs, there's one here, a tiny little one there, and one here. Just there, but that's it guys, so that's the finished piece. I hope that's picking that up, but lovely and glossy. It's gone down nice and flat for gun finish, so really just them nibs, quick polish, and that's done. Hope you enjoyed the video, got something out of it along the way. This is part 5, I wanted it just to be ended in part 4, but we had to fix this and get all that silver done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.